Hi, this is Clint Cora. I just came back from a scuba diving trip to the Bay Islands in Honduras. That's Utila and Roatan. After my scuba diving, I decided to spend a few days in the neighboring country of El Salvador. Now, El Salvador has this reputation of being a dangerous place to go. But I can tell you, after spending a few days there, it's perfectly fine. There are lots of great natural scenery, including volcanoes, lakes, hiking, beaches, lots of culture, lots of cuisine. And yes, San Salvador, the capital city, is a big city. And yes, like any other big city in North America or Western Europe, there are some dangerous, sketchy places, but there are also lots of safe areas within the city. It's a matter of doing your due diligence and research to find out where the safe areas are, and then stay in those areas. There's no business to go to the dangerous parts of the city. I also recommend getting aligned with a knowledgeable local guide to show you around. In my case, I used Roberto from El Salvador Custom Tours. Here's a few places that we checked out. So, Roberto, what are we looking at here?
Right now we are looking for the Guatepeco Lake. Guatepeque means place of a snake in Nahuatl. It's the Mayan local language. It's one of the cleanest lakes in El Salvador. It's really beautiful. You can fish there to practice aquatic sport like jet ski or kayaking or diving if you want. This is one of the best places to do diving, and it's amazing. And we're really close from the city. From the city is around 40 minutes from the city.
Thank you.
Santa Tecla. We are in the Paseo del Carmen. It's one of the great place to visit here in El Salvador. Is local in the Santa Tecla city. It's really nice. If you can see, it's a lot of people. It's right now. It started all the night here. It started the night, and they call the Paseo del Carmen because this is the Carmen Church. And the Carmen Church suffered some damage in the earthquake in 2001, but that's the reason they don't use it anymore. But it's like a big symbol from Santa Tecla people. And right now we are in a beautiful place named Paseo del Carmen. It's really good. We will have a lot of food, local food, a lot of different beverage, beers, local coffees, and a lot of different kind of handcraft pottery you can get here. It's
Looks
really
pretty
nice.
safe too here, doesn't it?
It's really safe. If you look at over there, there's a lot of security here.
Oh yeah.
With the big guns, but it's
yeah.
just for protection. It's not like for doing something wrong.
Very good. Thank you.
Well, big yard with an open, yes, in the middle. It's really nice.
What is this place?
This is a municipal palace. It's in
Oh,
Santa Tecla. Used to be like the mayor hall, but right now they use it for performance, for the fashion show performance, art galleries, or depend what type of show they make here.
so when I visit a foreign country, I try my best to try the local cuisine. So tonight it's authentic El Salvadorian food. So Roberto, what are we going to be eating here?
Oh, we have this delicious dish right here. Is coming from the Mayans. This is a recipe from the Mayans. It's 1,000 a year. This is a mass, corn mass full with different ingredients like pork, cheese, beef, lorocos, spinach, and different plants. Right here we have all the typical pupusas. That is the name of this dish. It's really delicious. Everybody loves pupusas. And we have, this is pupusas from Revueltas. Revueltas pupusas is the typical dish. It's like a bean, cheese, and pork. And right here we have just pork and cheese. Right here we have loroco. It's a flour with cheese. Right here is spinach. And right here is a pumpkin pupusa. It's really nice and you will enjoy it, I bet you.
And what's this drink right here?
This is a milkshake from Zapote. Zapote is like a local fruit we have here, really sweet and orange. It's really delicious. Believe me, the Salvadorian food is really, really nice.
So let's dig in.
They do it.
Thank you. So if you're going to be visiting Central America, I would highly recommend that you spend a few days in El Salvador. Prices are very reasonable there. It's definitely an interesting place to go to. And you should probably use a guide like Roberto. I like Roberto's services because he's very personable. His services are priced very reasonably, and his tours are completely customizable and flexible. I took a full-day Copan Mayan ruins tour with him, and along the way, we stopped at some towns for some cultural sites, for some pupusas. Along the way back, we also stopped at this huge lake beside some volcanoes, all at no extra charge. We had the time, we had the flexibility, and he said, hey, how about I show you these extra places as well? Here are some contact information for him. Now, even if you go to El Salvador as a layover, because San Salvador has a huge airport there, Roberto can arrange to do some layover tours for you. He'll pick you up right at the airport, show you around, and then bring you back in time for your connecting flight. We did a completely separate video for the Copan Mayan ruins. Look for that particular video coming up. I'll see you there.